What shape is this? A. Circle. B. Square. C. Triangle. D. Rectangle. A. Circle. It is round and has no corners or edges. What shape has 4 equal sides? A. Triangle. B. Square. C. Oval. D. Star. B. Square. That's correct. A square has 4 equal sides. Which shape looks like a slice of pizza? A. Circle. B. Rectangle. C. Triangle. D. Heart. C. Triangle. You are a pro. A triangle is a fun shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. Which shape has no straight sides? A. Oval. B. Triangle. C. Square. D. Star. A. Oval. That's right. An oval is a special shape that looks like a stretched out circle. What shape looks like a door? A. Circle. B. Rectangle. C. Star. D. Oval. B. Rectangle. Rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Which shape has 5 points? A. Heart. B. Star. C. Square. D. Triangle. B. Star. The most common star shape has 5 points, but some stars can have more. Which shape looks like a Valentine symbol? A. Circle. B. Square. C. Triangle. D. Rectangle. C. Heart. A heart is a beautiful shape that means love and kindness. It has 2 round bumps on top and a pointy end at the bottom.